Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to get this classic but very simple makeup look. For me, I love classic looking makeup because it looks good on anybody. And sometimes people just don't have the time to be going through those very intricate 30-step routines to get that flawless finish every time. Sometimes we just don't have the time for that. With this look, it's very basic, but the outcome is so gorgeous, y'all. It is so pretty. But enough of me rambling, let's get to the video. So starting on the base, I already washed my face. I'm gonna put on this Hyaluronic Moisturizing Serum. I got this from the Vitamin Shop. I really like this serum. It makes my skin look so glowy. I usually use this on the days that I don't wear makeup. I also like wearing it underneath makeup, so that's what I'm gonna do today. So after that, we're gonna apply moisturizer. The moisturizer that I'm going to use today is the Innisfree Hydrating Cream Green Tea Moisturizer. For primer, I'm going to be taking my e.l.f. Power Grip. After letting the primer set for a little bit, I'm going to go in with some concealer. The concealer that I'm going to be using today is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and my shade is Truffle. So if y'all know me by now, y'all know that I like letting my concealer set for a little bit. While that concealer is setting, I'm going to move on to my eyebrows. I'm going to take my MAC eyebrow styler and stud. I'm going to brush them out first. So for today, I want them to look a little bit more bushy than I usually do. And that's what I like with a classic makeup routine. With your eyebrows, do your eyebrows how you want to do them. The routine will still come together classically. Now we're gonna clean them up with a little bit of concealer. This is Morphe M165 brush. And then the concealer that I'm gonna be using is the MAC Studio Finish in NW45, like this. To blend the concealer out underneath my eyebrows a little bit more, I'm going to be taking my e.l.f. concealer brush. It's this little one right here. So finally, we're going to go ahead and blend this concealer out with my Morphe M173 brush. So when I'm blending out the under eye concealer, I transfer some of it onto my eyelid just so they can match colors. make sure that everything is blended out into my whole face, I'm just gonna be taking my NYX, it's like a flat top, I don't want to say like kabuki, flat top foundation brush, that's all I can say, angle flat top foundation brush, and just blending it out into the rest of my face. So now I'll be taking my Mercier translucent powder in the shade medium deep, going over where I put the concealer at. So now that I've applied the translucent powder, I don't like setting powder staying on my face for too long. So I am going to dust it off and then apply my powder, which is my MAC Mineralize Skin Finish Natural in Dark Deep. And this is what it looks like. And I'm going to be applying it with this powder brush. I just got this powder brush from the brand Beauty Secrets, and I got this from Sally's. So now we're going to contour. I'm taking my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. Looks like this. I'm gonna take that same brush that I used to contour my nose with, and this is the Morphe M453 brush. Looks like this. I'm gonna go into the Morphe Big Primping palette, and I will take places to tap that off, and I'm just gonna put it in my crease. I want it to be really subtle. I don't know if you can tell, but it kind of accentuates not only my eyelids but my brow bone, so that's why I did that. So now I'll put my bonnet on because I'm about to set my face. I don't want it to get in my hair, with my MAC Fix Plus Rose. So now we're gonna move on to mascara. The mascara that I'm gonna be using for today is the Ulta Beauty Twisted Volume Maximum Performance Mascara, and this is how it looks. In makeup, there are certain things that when you first started doing makeup, you do them slowly because you're still getting the hang of it and you're still learning it. If you start getting really good at makeup, certain things you can do faster than others who are still in the beginner lane. But there are certain things in makeup that stay in that standard of you have to take your time. You cannot do this fast. It doesn't matter if you are a pro at everything makeup, you have to take your time, and mascara is one of them. Take your time. Mascara can get on your eyelids and mess up a whole look, but also even if you don't have anything on your eyelids other than concealer and powder, it's just too much to take off, and it's just too much of a hassle. So I don't play about mascara. I put it on slow, I put on layers, and I just take my time. That's just something you have to take your time with. I'm gonna move on to blush. The blush that I'll be using today is from Makeup Revolution, and it is this duo blush and highlighter in the shade Daydream. That's what it looks like. Real Techniques 204 brush. Alright y'all, so we're almost done. So now we're going to move on to the lips. I'll be using MAC Chestnut. So now for the lipstick, I'll be using the Fenty Beauty Velvet Liquid Lipstick in the shade MVP. I love this lipstick so much, y'all. Alright y'all, so this is the look. Like I said, it's a very simple but very classic red lip. I use no foundation. This look took me like 20 minutes to do. This is one of my go-to looks when I'm trying to look like I really did something, when I just did the basic routine. If you're a diva like me, just wear this for an everyday look. You're having a date, or you're going out to the museum, or you're going out to eat with your girls, this is the perfect look for that. Just a nice simple red look. Because of lip liners, I love red lipstick now. I used to shy away from it so much, but now I embrace it. It's one of my favorite classic looks. So I really hope that y'all enjoyed this tutorial. Please let me know what other tutorials you'd like to see from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.